So today, as you come into this home, Mr. Murunda is going to lead you, and he will carry out the discussion on your behalf.
Okay.
Yeah, he will do the dialogue. But at the end, of course, you're going to give your speech as Mom told you.
Yeah. So, Papa, I'm glad to meet you. I'm Prince Williams. Yeah. So when we're heading down, there's a session whereby people down there will need to know our background. So it's Papa's responsibility to, I'll invite you, give you the microphone, you tell them who are we, where are we from, background details. So after that session, you still see Robert will come. There are some many girls who will come with Marina. Robert will come, identify Marina from the many girls. Robert will take Marina to whispering. They embrace her. Then after, Marina will bring Robert to you. You embrace him. Then after, yes, proceed. You see, I'll be heading for the start to the time of speeches. But you're welcome.
So, question for you is that Pastor just thought he would do his lineage and I would do mine.
Sure.
Because we come from totally different countries.
Sure.
Different continents.
Different continents.
Different continent.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
so,
than USA.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So, which is proper. I go first. I think he goes first because I gave birth to mine. Right. So he goes first.
No, you can choose. You can discuss about that.
Okay. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's between you and her.
But what is tradition?
According to tradition,
Would be you.
it's you.
Okay,
you
then
first.
no, then let's do it.
Okay.
Then you would do first, and then the other piece is, are we only saying our lineages, or should we say something else? That we come from,
You only say the lineage, then after. We'll have time for speeches.
and the speeches are,
Yeah.
okay, only
Yeah.
lineages.
All right.
Okay, just making sure.
All right.
And then we said the same thing that they
So, feel at home.
Yeah, and then if he do something, just to correct us.
No, don't mind.
No, I know, but just like,
said. We want to be,
we don't be the right.
we want to be
No,
correct.
according to that way.
So you're the spokesman.
Yes.
I've been here 6 months. I'm learning, but if they see in Texas, I trying to learn everything I can. I want to become a mechanic, you know?
So, that's time for you.
Yeah.
Time for me. So we go together.
Yeah, like this.
Can I hold?
No problem.
It's fine, you can? Good, thank you.
Because your foot like that is a little surgery on your foot.
Then we proceed. Now I'll be able to answer each and everything. Praise Jesus, brethren.
Amen.
Amen. We are the ones that received the letter you sent to us in USA and Latvia when your handsome son had seen our beautiful daughter. And that's the reason why we're here. If you allow us to join you, you'll get to know the details and the reasons why we're here.
That is quite surprising because I don't remember receiving any letter. Maybe perhaps, my brother, Mr. Muyinga here received the letter. I don't remember receiving any.
I think our elder brother received the letter. Pastor Kayanja.
Is that the letter that came from Latvia?
Yes, that's the one.
When was that?
There were two letters, one from Latvia and one from USA.
Let's just clarify that. But if those are the letters, I think they were received by our elder brother. Let me just clarify that with my brother here.
It's true. It's true. Receive the letters.
Right?
You're most welcome.
Okay, it appears that you are expected guests and would like to tell us.
I wish I had a lot to tell you, but according to our parents here, we're just eager and waiting to see our daughter out. Because our daughter came in the Emirates, so she is inside. And if you allow us, it will be from you to allow our daughter to come so that the brethren with us here can see our beautiful daughter from that TV and USA. Thank you.
Your desire is noted.
Lwaki tubuuzaako?
Era gye basewo, buliko amakubo basewo. Kusanyusa okubalaba bannyabo. Era gye bannyabo. Musiibe mutya?
Anti abuuzizaako bassebo ne banyabo ffe tebulitegeera byayogera beno.
Okay, I'm requesting that you also read us in English. We are coming.
So now they're reading us here.
You're most welcome, dear ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. We are very humbled.
Is there anything you want to tell us?
Unless if it's a reading from the Bible, I'll say nothing.
All right.
The way these guys have been dancing, say it. Someone right now, someone is at the well, waiting for the beautiful girls to come out, so that that person can choose the beautiful wife. Mukolo, if it's a well, we are also requesting our beautiful daughters to come out, so that someone can pick Rebecca from them.
Okay, your request is noted. Let us arrange for some of our daughters to come through and see. We have so many maidens in this family. We want to know if one of them is actually the one that our son desires. So, DJ, please put on a song.
So, as the DJ is going to play a song, right now, our beautiful sister, our beautiful daughter is coming. So we need to change the attitude. We need to clap our hands. We need to rise up and welcome her. Take it in.
We are not sure if she's going to be part of it, but let's hope so. So let's have